How do you say how are you or how is the weather in Hindi? By the end of this lesson, you will confidently ask these basic questions in Hindi. Welcome to Hindi for Beginners lesson 3 with Namaste Hindi. Today we are learning a very important word kaisa, which means how. Let's understand how to use it in a sentence and how it changes based on the person or the object that we are talking about. For masculine singular nouns, we use the word kaisa. For example, मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather? For masculine plural noun, we use the word कैसे. For example, घर में सब कैसे हैं? How is everyone at home? We also use this when we are being respectful towards someone. They may be singular, but we treat them with respect. For example, पापा कैसे हैं? How is Papa? For feminine nouns, we use the word कैसी. For example, दीदी कैसी हैं? How is sister? So remember, while in English we have one word how, in Hindi we have कैसा for masculine singular, कैसे for masculine plural, कैसी for feminine. If you're enjoying my Hindi videos, I also conduct one-on-one Hindi lessons, and now you can book a free trial lesson with me. The link is in description and in my bio. Coming back to the question that we started this video with, how do we ask the question, how are you? We will say आप, which means you, कैसे, which means how. Now, even though we are asking this to one person, we are saying कैसे instead of कैसा because we are treating them with respect and hence we are treating them as plural. आप कैसे हो? How are you? I hope the concept is clear. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you do not miss my next lesson. Till then, Namaste Hindi.